Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Roblox not installing on your PC. So we are just going to try many tricks to fix this problem. So make sure you watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. The first thing we need to make sure is that there is no conflict with installations. So basically, you will need just either to go to the Windows menu and just type uninstall, and here add in removes programs. You will need just to click on it and basically search for Roblox, because sometimes you can mistakenly have your Roblox there on your PC, and it might like just conflicting with the new Roblox that you are trying to install. So the first thing is just to make sure that you don't have any other Roblox on your PC. Otherwise, you will need just to click on uninstall. Then we will need just to try to delete some additional cache or anything in case that you have installed like Roblox previously and sometimes. So we need just to type the Windows key plus R, and it will give you this run program or application, or you can just go to the start menu and type run, and it will give you the same app. Then you will need just to type up data, of course, with these symbols. You click on OK, and then we go to app data. We need to go to the local. We search for Roblox, and here, if there is a folder for Roblox, you will need just to delete it because it contains some version folders and data about your game. So basically, it can be a reason why there is a conflict in your installation. Just delete it in case, and then reinstall your game. Otherwise, if like installing the game from your browser, like from the Roblox browser or the Roblox website doesn't work, try to install Roblox from the Windows Store or the Microsoft Store. So basically, instead of going to the roblox.com, just go here in the start menu and search for Microsoft Store, or just type store, and it will give you the Microsoft Store, and then you will need just to search for Roblox, and it will be the most reliable way to install your Roblox, and probably you won't have or you won't encounter any problems while installing it from the Microsoft Store. So you basically will need just to get click on get, and you will have your Roblox that will be installed in your PC. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.